We are pleased to show you the 2010 Fit. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, body color door handles, compact spare tire, drive-by-wire throttle, front stabilizer bar, front wheel drive, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find tinted glass, cargo area light, child-proof rear door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.